Hello, good morning to all of you. I am Kapil Vardhan from electrical department. Today we are doing a second experiment of digital electronics. Okay, to study the properties of universal gate. Now you can see here. Okay, here is NOT gate. Okay, not using NAND gate and using NAND gate or using NAND gate. Okay, first we will drive all three basic gates, okay, using NAND gate. So this is your NOT gate. How we will drive NOT gate using NAND gate? You can see here, this is your NAND gate. Okay, first we will have to short the input of NAND gate. Okay, we will make it one input, okay, gate, then it will become NOT gate. Now you can see here, if we will if our input is here, low means 0, your output should be here 1. If your input is here high means 1, your output should be low means 0 here. Okay, so this NAND gate will behave like NOT gate. Okay, now see the second one. Okay, and using NAND gate. Okay, this is your NAND gate. Okay, 2 input, okay, single output gate. Okay, now you can see here your NAND gate has 2 inputs A and B. Okay, now you can see we are using here 2 NAND gates, one and second. Okay, first when you will apply here first input and second input is here, then you can see here the output of this NAND gate will be A dot B ka var, because here NAND gate is a combination of AND and NET and NOT gate. Okay, so you can see here A dot B ka var. Okay, now this input, the output of this NAND gate, we will apply on the input of this gate. Okay, you can see here this is your NAND gate. Okay, NOT gate using NAND gate. Okay, you can see here this gate is a actually NOT gate. Okay, if you will apply here A dot B var, okay, the output of this NAND gate, okay, to the input of NOT gate, okay, it will, the output of that gate become A dot B, because you can see here bar will be cancelled and A dot B. Now you can see this expression is similar to AND gate. Okay, so AND using NAND gate. Okay, we can derive the AND gate using NAND gate. Okay, second, third, this is your OR gate. Now we have to derive OR gate using NAND gate. You can see here in case of OR gate, okay, this is your NAND gate. Okay, NOT gate using NAND gate, NOT gate using NAND gate. Okay, we will use 2 NOT gate here, okay, and 1 NAND gate here. Now you can see here we will apply A input here, B input is here, to separate A. The output of first NOT gate is A bar, second NOT gate is B bar. Now this output of first NOT gate and the output of second NOT gate we will apply at the input of this NAND gate. Now the expression for this will become A dot B bar plus whole bar. Okay, it will cancel out and it will become A plus B bar. Okay, A plus B bar is the expression for OR gate. Okay, this is the expression for OR gate. Okay, and second universal gate. Okay, now using NOR gate. Okay, first not using NOR gate, Okay, so you can see this is your NOR gate. Okay, we will short the input of NOR gate. Okay, and we will made it NOT gate. Okay, single input. Okay, now what will the output of this gate? Okay, when you will apply here 0, this output would be high here. Okay, 1. When we will apply high input here, your output will be low here. So you can see here, okay, this NOR gate will act as NOT gate. Okay, you can see here. Okay, second one is your OR gate here. Okay, OR gate here. Okay, we are using here two NOR gate here. Okay, 2 plus 1 3 NOR gate here. Okay, so you can see here one NOR gate, second NOR gate, and third NOR gate here. Okay, no, sorry, for OR gate. Okay, we are using here two NOR gate. Okay, you can see in the circuit like this. Okay, for OR gate. Okay, now A and B, two inputs here. The output of this NOR gate become A plus B का var. Okay, now this output we will apply at the input of this second NOR gate. Okay, the output of this NOR gate will become y is equal to A plus B bar, means OR gate. Okay, now you can see here bar will be cancelled. Okay, third one is your AND gate here. Okay, AND gate using NOR gate. Here we are use here three NOR gate, 1 2 and 3. ठीक है, first NOR gate, second NOR gate. Okay, this is a and third NOR gate. Okay, now you can see here this NOR gate. Okay, NOT gate using NOR gate and not using NAND gate. Okay, the output of this first NOR gate, okay, and second NOR gate we will apply at the input of third NOR gate. Okay, here. Okay, A bar B bar. Okay, you can see the output of this NOR gate. Okay, then A bar B bar we will apply here. It will become A bar plus B bar ka whole bar will be cancelled and it will become A dot B bar. Okay, now you can see the expression y is equal to A dot B, means AND gate. Okay, you can see in this circuit this will become as, okay, AND gate. Okay, now we will perform these gates one by one on 10 circuit. Now you can see and verify their truth table also. Okay, now see here. Now see here, this is your input section, this is your output section, this is your output section. Okay, this is your, okay, not using NAND gate. Okay, first how can we make short circuit the both inputs of NAND gate. Okay, make it single because NOT gate is a single input single output gate. Okay, this is the input. Okay, this is the input for your NOT gate. Okay, connect to the input section. Now it will be first short both inputs. Okay, make it single input. Now connect the output section, output of this NAND gate to the output section. Okay, now see here what will be the output of this NOT gate, okay, using NAND gate. Okay, now it should be at 0. At 0 at low, ठीक है, when you will apply here 0, okay, you can see here the toggle switch, okay, at 0 your output should be here high 1, okay, this LED is glowing here, means your output is high. When we will apply here 0 low input, when we will change this to 1, ठीक है, upward side 1, ठीक है, 0 to 1 upward side, ठीक है, this is 0, this is 1, okay, when we will apply here 1, okay, your output should be here high, your output should be here low when we will apply here 1, okay, so your output is here low. Now you can see here this LED is not glowing, means this is a low output, okay, when we will apply here high input at the input of NOT gate, okay. So you can see here NAND gate NAND gate is acting as NOT gate, okay, not using NAND gate, okay. Second one is and using NAND gate, okay. First we will have to connect the input. This is 2 input, AND gate is 2 input gate, okay, okay. According to your circuit you have to combine this gate to this gate, okay, okay. First apply input here, okay, 2 inputs, first input from here to here, second input from here to here, okay, A and B 2 inputs. Now combine both gate, ठीक है, this NAND gate to this NAND gate, okay. Now we will combine both. Now you can see you have to connect the output. Now see here, now see here, okay. In case of AND gate, when your both the inputs are low, okay, your output should be there low, okay, okay. When your both the inputs are low, means 0 and 0, both the inputs are at low, or 0 0, we are applying here 0 and 0, okay, your output should be here 0, okay, in case of NAND gate. So you can see here this is 0, when you will apply here 0 and 1, okay, at input A is 0 and here is 1, okay, your output should be here low, okay. Now you can see here this LED is not glowing, means output is here low, okay. In case of third, okay, 1 0, okay, here your output should be low or 0, okay, we are giving here 1 and 0. In case of when both the inputs are high, okay, 1 1, okay. Now you can see there at 1 1 your output is here high, this LED is glowing up now, okay, this LED is glowing now, okay, you can see here, okay. Now is low, when we will make it 1 and 1, it will become high. Now you can see here this is your high input in case of AND using NAND gate, okay. Third one is OR using NAND gate, okay. Now first make the circuit, okay, apply an input, second input, okay. Now first NOT gate you have to connect with the first input of NAND gate, and second NAND gate connect with the second input of this gate. Now you can see here this gate is connected to the first input of this NAND gate, this input of this NOT gate, okay, using NAND, okay, connect to the input of this NAND gate to the second input. Okay, now we will check here the output. Okay, what will the output of this? Connect this output terminal to the this output. Okay, in case of OR gate, when both the inputs are low, your output should be here low. Now we can see here, okay, okay, both the inputs are low here, okay, 0 and 0, okay, your output is here low, means your LED is not glowing, means this is low output. Okay, now 0 1, okay, now you can see here in case of 0 1, okay, your output should be high. Now you can see here your output is high here. Okay, again you can see here 0 and 1. Now it's not glowing. When I will apply a 0 1, okay, now it will glow. Okay, your output is here high. Okay, so and in case of 1 0, your output should be high. Your output is here high. In case of 1 1, it should be high. Your output is here high. So or using NAND gate. Okay, you can make circuit like this. Okay, first this is NAND gate, this is also NAND gate. Okay, okay, this NAND gate will work as NOT gate because the inputs of this NAND gate are short circuit, short, or and inputs of this gate also short. Okay, you can see here the output. Okay, now we will go to the next. Now see here, not using NOR gate. Now we will drive all three gate using NOR gate. Okay, now see here, in case of NOR gate, how can we form, how can we make NOR gate? Okay, short both inputs of NOR gate, make it single input gate like this, make it single input gate like this. Okay, like this. Okay, short the both input by a single patch cord like this. Okay, connect this to this. Okay, 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 and this single input to this. Okay, this first short both inputs like that. Okay, now connect this input to the input section. Okay, now we will apply input from here. Okay, and connect the output section, output of this will get to the output section. Now see here, when your input is high here, okay, now you can see here when your input is high here, means 1 is here. Now this LED is glowing, means 1 is here. Your output is there low, low, this LED is not glowing, means low, this is low. Okay, and when we will apply here 0, low input. Okay, now your input is low here, your output should be there high. Okay, now you can see there your output is here high, this LED is glowing. Okay, so this NOR gate will work as NOT gate. This NOR gate will work as NOT gate. Okay, now we will make the OR using NOR gate. Okay, first give it the input, connect this input. Two inputs are here to the NOR gate, first NOR gate. Now combine this NOR gate to the second NOR gate like this, and connect this output terminal to the now you can see here, connect the output terminal of this NOR gate to the output section. Okay, now you will check here the output of this. Okay, now see here, in case of OR gate using NOR gate, okay, means your output should be like as OR gate. Okay, both the inputs are low. Now both the inputs are low. In case of OR gate, when both the inputs are low, your output should be low. Okay, you can see here this output is low. Okay, when we will change the inputs, okay, 0 1, your output should be high. Your output is high here. Okay, at 1 0, your output should be high here. When 1 1 and 1, when both the inputs are high here, your output should be here low. Now you can see here your LED is not glowing. Your output is here 1 high also. Okay, in case of when the both inputs are high, in case of OR gate, your output should be high. Okay, 1 and 1, it should be 1 high. Okay, in case of low, when the both the inputs are low, your output should be low here in case of OR gate. Okay, so this is OR using NOR gate. Okay, okay, you can see here OR using NOR. Okay, last one is AND using NOR. Okay, connect one input to the first NOT gate, second to the second NOT gate, like this. Okay, first input to the first, second input to the second. Okay, now connect this output of first NOR gate to the input of this NOR gate, output of this NOR gate to the input of this NOR gate. Okay, now connect the output to the output terminal. Okay, now see, now see here, in case of AND using NOR gate. Okay, in case of AND using NOR gate, we are using here two NOR gate as NOT gate. Okay, as NOT gate, we will give first input to the first, second input is the second. We will connect the output of first NOR gate to the input of this next NOR gate, and the output of this NOR gate to the input of this NOR gate, or this is your output terminal. We will check here. Okay, whether the NOR gate is working as AND gate or not. Okay, so see, yeah, when both the inputs are low, when these both inputs are low, in case of AND gate, your output should be low. Okay, so your output is here low, you can see. Okay, now 801, okay, it should be low. Your LED is not glowing here, means your output is low there. Okay, in case of 1 0, this is also low. In case of 1 and 1, in case of 1 and 1, when both the inputs are high, your output should be here high. Okay, now you can see here your output is here high. Okay, so this is all about your universal gates. Okay, so how can you drive the basic gates by using universal gates? Okay, so this is all about your second experiment. Okay, about the universal gate, you can see here. So you can verify all these gate. Okay, thank you so much. And if you have any queries, okay, you can comment in the comment section. Okay, you can ask any doubt or any confusion related to the universal gates or basic gates. Okay, so thank you so much.